the first few moments of the prosecutor's opening statement, the crux of this case was on the table. Arapahoe County DA George Brockler laid out the results of two separate court-ordered sanity exams of the defendant.
Both of them say the same thing. But that guy was sane when he tried to murder all those people in that theater back in July of 2012.
The prosecution argues that he was in control of his actions, a desperate man.
One guy who felt as if he had lost his career, lost his love life, lost his purpose, came to execute a plan in his heart for his life, but for 2.5 months in his mind.
A cold-blooded man who we heard for the first time from one of those sanity exams.
The dead can't be repaired or come back to life.
A man who planned an attack, booby-trapped his apartment to try to distract the police. A man who ended lives and permanently changed others. Others who sat in the court and relived that story. The defendant's attorney asked the jury to see past their emotions and the horrors of that night.
Nothing that took place there is contested by the defense.
They argue their client wasn't of right mind at the time.
When James Holmes stepped into that theater in July of 2012, he was insane.
They showed evidence.
I saw Holmes standing at the wall, hitting his head on the wall opposite the cell door.
What they say was a psychotic episode, and they say over the next several months they will show that the shooter suffered from schizophrenia.
He was not in control of his actions. He was not in control of what he perceived to be reality.